Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the new Infinix S4. So it's the latest from the company to launch in Kenya, and it's available in two versions, one with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which is the one I'm unboxing today, which you can get for 14,999 Kenya shillings. And the other one has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, which will be available for 18,999 Kenya shillings. So let's get to the unboxing. So the first thing you're going to see is the phone. It looks really good and feels good as well. At the back we can see the 3 cameras. The Infinix S4 comes with 3 cameras at the back, which I'm really curious to see how they perform. Let's put the phone aside to get to everything we get in the box. You see some documentation, and we're going to put all those aside. The SIM ejector tool, which is really important. Let's put it aside. Some more documentation, which we are not going to read, so we'll put all those aside. Then we get a transparent back cover. So if you want to protect your phone, you're getting a free back cover. Let's put it aside. We also get a screen protector. So if you want to protect your display, it's a free screen protector you're getting here. Let's put all those aside. Now here is the wall adapter for charging. It looks like this supports fast charging, but the company is not saying anything about that in the official documentation, so we are going to assume it doesn't. You're also getting a USB cable for charging and data transfer. This is not a USB Type-C for those who are curious. Let's put it aside. And we are getting a pair of earphones. These are the same earphones Infinix has been using for years, so nothing interesting about them. Let's put all those aside and get to the phone. As you can see, the key specifications are highlighted on the display. So you have the 32 megapixel selfie camera, the 3 cameras at the back, and the 6.2 inch display with a water drop notch. This is the first smartphone from Infinix to come with a water drop notch, so it's a really big feature for them. So the first thing you'll notice about the Infinix S4 is that it does have this sparkly finish, so you can see some sparkles on the back cover. I'm not sure what the company is calling this type of finish, but the color used here is called Nebula Blue. It looks really good. The camera is not picking up the color really well, but it looks really good. It's sort of a gradient finish, which has a very dark blue color at the bottom, which is almost black, and then a lighter version towards the top. So it looks really cool. And for me, the blue one looks good, but the purple one, I like to see the purple one because I saw in the photos the purple one looks really good. So I like to see that in real life to see how they compare with the blue, but the blue one looks really good. And back to the cameras, the 3 cameras, you are getting a 13 megapixel one, an 8 megapixel one, and a 2 megapixel one. The 13 megapixel is the main sensor, and the 8 megapixel is the wide angle sensor. So if you want to take wide angle shots to fit more people in your photos, you can use that one. And the 2 megapixel one is the depth sensor, so if you want to take portrait shots and that sort of thing, that's the sensor to help you with that. At the back you also have a fingerprint sensor, which is fast, and I think it's quad LED flash to help you take better shots when the lighting is not so good. So the phone doesn't feel that big. It's a 6.2 inch display, but doesn't feel that big. I'm used to bigger displays, so this is not new to me. When compared to the Huawei P30 Lite, the P30 Lite is a bit smaller than this, but they're both huge phones. They're both manageable sizes. So let's switch the phone on to see what you're getting inside. The phone comes with Android Pie, with XOS 5.0, which is based on Android Pie. There are some few changes with XOS 5.0, including new icon designs and a few new features that the company has included on this phone, but I'll not get into those in this video because this is an unboxing video. So we are getting a few new features with this. Powering this phone is the MediaTek Helio P22 processor, which is a 2 GHz processor. It's paired with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage space. And as I've mentioned, there's a 6 GB version with 64 GB of storage space if you want more space and a bigger RAM. For the battery, we are getting a 4000 mAh one. And as I've mentioned, I think the phone does support fast charging, so you'll be able to charge this battery a bit faster than other batteries from other smartphones. And that's it, the Infinix S4, available in Kenya right now. I'll leave a few links, including a link to a complete specs sheet so you can look at some of the other specifications that I've not talked about in this video. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.